In this video, we'll be installing these strut assemblies into a 2015 Ford Explorer. These are the tools we'll use to remove the strut assembly on the Ford Explorer. Large electric wrench, medium electric wrench, large ratchet wrench, large electronic torque wrench, large torque wrench, 24mm socket, 22mm socket, 19mm socket, large adapter rod, 22mm wrench, large 15mm socket, medium 15mm socket, large 10mm socket, pry bar and hammer. Now we're going to disassemble the front hub on the Ford Explorer Start by using a 19mm socket, loosen the lug nuts, raise the vehicle, and then finish removing the wheel. Remove the nut on the stabilizer bar end link, remove the ABS sensor cable, use a pry bar to remove the lower clip. Use a 22mm wrench and a 24mm socket to remove the shock absorber, mounting nuts. Then use a hammer to remove the bolt. Lower the vehicle and then open the hood. Using a 15mm socket. Loosen the shock absorber tower nuts. Then using a deep 15mm socket, remove the shock absorber tower nuts completely. Then you can go ahead and remove the shock absorber. Now it's time to install the new shock absorber. Install the knots on the top of the shock tower. Using a 15mm socket, tighten the new shock absorber tower bolts to 60 Nm. Lower the hood and then raise the vehicle. Now you can go ahead and install the lower shock absorber mounting bolts. Use a 24mm socket to tighten the lower shock absorber mounting bolts. Using the torque wrench, torque them down to 150mm. Install the stabilizer bar end links. Use a 22mm socket to tighten the end link nuts. Then torque them down to 135 Nm. Reinstall the ABS wiring harness clips. Install the front wheel. Use a 19mm socket to install the front wheel lug nuts. Tighten the lug nuts down to 100 Nm.